Here we are going to talk about the person and differences between natural person and legal person. Person. This word person has derived from the Latin word that is persona. In the very ancient period, it was used in the sense of mask, but as per the time changes, it was used to denote the part played by man or the role played by man. Again, after some time, it was used in the sense of man who played the part or the man who played the role in the drama. Again, later on, it was used in the sense that the one who is capable of sustaining rights and duties is known as person. The one who have capacity to hold right and duties is known as person. And in the eyes of law, those who carry certain rights and duties are called person. The one who have capacity to hold right and duties, the one who have capacity to enjoy the rights and perform his duties is known as person. We can find different definition given by jurists as per their views ideas, and Salmond has defined person is any being whom the law regards capable of having rights and duties, and Holland said person are subject of duties as well as right. Gray says that a person is an entity to which rights and duties may be attributed. Austin, a person is a human being invested with certain condition or status. Savigny, person are the barrier of rights only. Common point is that everyone has focus on rights and duties. These rights and duties is only two major element for a person to describe about the person. Now, categories of person. There are two types of person: natural person and legal person. Here we are going to learn about the differences between natural person and legal person. By distinguishing natural person and legal person, we will come to know about the natural person and legal person. First, natural person. All normal human being who possess rights and duties are known as natural person. But any other body other than human being having rights and duties are known as legal person. Natural person must have certain criteria like born alive and a status, that is to capacity to hold rights and duties. And legal person, there is animus and corpus, that is body. Natural person have both natural and legal personality, but legal person has only legal personality made in the law. Natural person can do everything except those act which is prohibited by law, but legal person can do only that act or can perform only that act which is permitted by law. Natural person are born and die as per natural process, but legal person are registered and terminated by law. Natural person are not classified, but Salmond has classified legal person in four types, that is corporate aggregate, corporate sole, institution, fund or trust. Natural person are independent generally, but the legal person are totally depend upon the natural person. Natural person has unlimited capacity and liability, but legal person has limited capacity and liability. Natural person use thumb print signature to be recognized. Legal person generally use stamp, seal, logo as a symbol. Natural person have unlimited rights and duties in comparison of legal person, but legal person has limited rights and duties in comparison of natural person. Talking about the Nepalese law, Part 2, Chapter 1 of Muluki Civil Code Act 2074 has provision regarding natural person, whereas Part 2, Chapter 2 of Muluki Civil Code Act 2074 has provision about the legal person, that is legal personality. Now, example of natural person can be all normal human being except minors, says insane. But legal person, the example of legal person can be all the company, trust, industries, factory, building, etc.